So on this video, I want to show you how you can create international TikTok account. How you can create a UK TikTok account or US TikTok account, any country of your choice. So watch this video to the end and follow the method and the steps I use in creating a UK TikTok account. So if you have your TikTok app, just click on it. So I'll click on it like this. So it's going to open this way. All right, so
hello,
once you have your
everybody, please,
TikTok
if you have any promotion
app open like this, go to your profile. Once you get to your profile, I want you to click on this horizontal icon at the right corner here. Click on it. You're going to see this TikTok Studio, then the QR code, setting and privacy. Click on the setting and privacy. So I'm going to click on mine. So the next thing you are going to do here, scroll down to where it says switch account. All right, so I'm going to click on switch accounts now. So these are the accounts logged on my TikTok app. So the next thing I'm going to do here, I'm going to click on add account. All right, so once you get to this place, you can see sign up for TikTok, create a profile, follow other accounts, mix your own video and more. Use phone number or email, don't go with that. Continue with Facebook, don't go with that. Continue with Apple, continue with Google, don't go with that. I want you to look at the bottom where it says by continuing with an account located in Nigeria. I want you to look at that place. You agree to our terms of service. Can you see that? Look at that place that says Nigeria, located in Nigeria. I want you to click on Nigeria. Click on Nigeria. Then you are going to select any country you want. You see. So you'll be able to select any country you want your TikTok account to be located in. So now I'm going to search for UK. So I'll search for UK. Okay, I think it's United Kingdom. So I'm going to go with United Kingdom. All right, so this is it. So you can decide to go with US. So but for now in this tutorial, I'm going to go with United Kingdom. So I will just click on United Kingdom. Then when you're back here, it's going to say by continuing with an account located in United Kingdom. You can see that it's changed automatically once you select the country United Kingdom. So you can see it changed already. So and it says you agree to our terms of service and acknowledge that you have read our privacy policy. All right, so what we are going to do next is you can go back to the top here, use phone number or email, continue with Facebook, continue with Apple, continue with Google. So you can decide to use any of the method to register your TikTok account now, and you are going to have your TikTok created in United Kingdom or any country you select. So I'm going to continue with Google. So it says TikTok wants to use Google to sign in. This allows the app and website to share information about you. So just click on continue. So let's wait. All right, so these are the email account logged on my phone, right? So I'm going to choose one of the email that I've not used to create any TikTok account before. And if you don't have any email available, you can decide to use another account. You can see there, use another account to create, or you have a new email create for this particular account you want to create. So the next thing I'm going to do here, I will just choose one of my email here. I'll click on Simai Studio. So I'll go with this. Okay, look at what they say. TikTok wants to access your Google account. This will allow TikTok to associate with your personal info on Google, see your personal info, including any personal info you have made, you get. So what I'm going to do here now, I'm going to click on allow. So I'll just click on allow, then let's wait. What you have to do is you go to setting to check your location, right? So you go to setting to check your location. All right, so what I'm going to do here now, after getting to this stage, the next thing I'm going to do, so I decide to change my to by continuing with an account located in the United States. So you can see United States. So the next thing I'm going to do now, I'm going to continue with Google. So I'll just click on it. So I will advise, if you have a VPN, you can decide to use it if you have. But if you don't have, just try and use it and see. Maybe it's going to work, right? Maybe it's going to work. So the next thing I'm going to do here, I will just click on this, one of my email here. All right, so I will click on one of my email and see. So I will just click, I'm going to click on allow. Let me see. So good. This is awesome. This is awesome. So you can see what's your birthday. So I'm going to enter my birthday now. So I will just decide to choose like 13, or I will just go with a random one. So I will just choose maybe 25th. So I will decide to go with 25th of December, right? Then I will just choose so I'll just choose 1986. Right, so I'll click on next. All right, so I'm going to click on next. You get. So once you're done with that, so boom, your account will be set up, right? So your account will be set up and you have an account located in the United States or the United Kingdom. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video useful, please don't forget to share and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.